Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with a hop hosted by Tara over at the Paper Snob, and this one is called Rainbow Crush, and the color that was picked for the month of February was pink. I know, shocker, right? And it fit right in perfectly with my kits. I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I'm working through my basic gray collections. I combined 3 different collections together this month. And, so I'm just going to show you guys my kit before I tear it down to turn it into a page. So, I have my photos. This is photos of me and my husband at Rodizio Grill, which is a Brazilian steakhouse. It's really, really good, but it's a little bit pricey. So we don't go very often. If you have one of these in your area, I would highly recommend it. Don't let the price deter you. It is worth it to go try it at least once. It is definitely an experience. And I know if you sign up on their website for your birthday, they will send you out a coupon of, you get a free birthday meal with the purchase of another one. So, 2 people can go for the price of 1, which is what we usually do. Me and my husband's birthday is about 2 weeks apart, so we both get a coupon. So, we usually go 2 times around the same time. Because we'll go on my birthday coupon and we'll both get it for 1 price. And then we'll go on his and we'll both get it for 1 price. So, it's a good deal. And I'm always about a deal and cheap. So I have pulled these embellishments when I pulled my kit together. These are things Elizabeth sent me in my Christmas swap. So I wanted to use some of those because I love, love, love them. And this is, I pulled some scrap papers. I don't know how much, if I'll actually use these. This is a cut file that I created. And, this is, I have a video showing how I created this. And this is a background I created following a Vicky Booten Friday Night Live. And, I absolutely loved it. Of course, I kind of did my own thing. She was just showing us, like, techniques of things that we could do, like, different ways. Not necessarily creating a whole background, but I, of course, just kept putting my techniques that she was showing, all onto 1 page. I actually created 2 pages. I think the other one y'all may have already saw. I'm not sure. Since I'm filming ahead, I don't know where I'm at. But I absolutely love this. I used stencils. I used the crayons, the gel crayons. Gel sticks, I think is what mine is called. And I used the gold paste. And I colored texture paste with ink. With the crayons. And then I used several different stencils. And it was in stamps. It was super, super fun. I love this. If you haven't watched her Friday Night Live, I would suggest going and doing that. And then I have, these are my papers that I pulled. This one is a scrap. It's had some already cut off. A piece of black cardstock and this. Since I did put all these kits together, I did not pay attention that I was going to need pink, monochromatic pink during the month, and a monochromatic for Shake It. So I'm just making do with the kits I already pulled because I don't want to pull anything else. I want to actually use this stuff up. So we'll see what happens. This is mostly pink. She wants like 3/4 to be pink. And it is. It does have a little bit of blue and gold in it. But I am going to make this work. So I will be back when I'm ready to put it together with y'all. Alright, I'm back. and this is going to be like the simplest page you ever saw. So, I trimmed 1/4 of an inch off 2 sides on my background paper and put it on black since I was using a black cut file. And then I just took a pencil and my pattern paper and my pictures, and pretty much I just traced around and then I cut it out. I did the same thing on the hearts on other pattern paper scraps. I just traced around the hearts, cut them out, flipped it over, and pretty much glued it to the back. Did the same thing with photos and the pattern paper and the hearts. So now we have this. This would be pretty just on white cardstock with maybe a few little mixed media splatters or something. But I love it even on this. So I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to be very generous with the glue because we're going to be gluing to mixed media. And then I'm going to just hold it down for a second. You could set something heavy on it, anything like that. And add a little bit more glue on this heart because it doesn't want to stay down. Tried on that gold paste. So this is pretty much our layout. In the end, I'm just going to add a few of these little embellishments that I pulled out of the pack to go on there. So that heart's still sticking up. That's okay. I can lay something heavy on it whenever we're done if need be. So I have this little banner that I picked out, and this little fringe heart, the camera, the little label banner, and a heart, and some of the wood veneer, the Dollar Tree wood veneer from this. I love this. I've actually bought it several times for myself. And this is really sticky. I've already used up all that I bought for myself. So I figured I'd just use 3 of them because y'all know I love the number 3. It's actually my favorite number, and number 16. So I'm going to use 3 arrows, one pointing at each picture. This one's trying to come off on the plastic. There we go. You could use your glue, or you could use some tacky glue. Tacky glue would help hold it down really good. The heavier stuff, I usually use tacky glue on. Okay. I'm going to do that. That was a little bit crooked. There we go. And then I think I'm going to put the camera right here so that it's kind of by the word love. And How to Kill a Kit with Style. This one's, I'm going to pull this pop dot off. Y'all know I like dimension, but this one has multiple layers and it's just a little too bulky for me. This month's theme or product to use up is stickers and chipboard, so this fits right in, and the quarterly thing is using the oldest stuff in your stash. So, using up my basic gray papers fits right in. So I'm going to put that down, and then I have this little fringe heart. I am going to pull the pop off of it too. And that's okay, you can. You don't have to use an embellishment just like it is. And I'm going to put this here. I did take my finger and just fluff up the little fringes a little bit. And then this You and Me. And I'm going to add glue to this one. It's not very sticky. And I'm going to put it down here. Kind of decorate up the little circles somewhat. And then I have this heart. I'm going to leave the sticky, the puffy on it, the foam. Just add it up here. Move it down a little bit. And then this banner, I took the foam off of it also. And I'm just going to put it down here so that I can just put the date on it. Because the pictures are pretty explanatory where we were. Like I said, we usually go for birthdays. That's probably what we were celebrating, but honestly, I don't remember. I'll just put the date and call it good. We can tell that it's pictures of us. So, that's going to be my page. I really, really, really love it. Has lots of pink. Definitely go and check out all the other creators that's playing along with the Rainbow Crush Hop. And until next time, bye y'all.